Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Whether you are a beginner in English or looking to improve your speaking and listening skills, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into some practical, everyday English conversations that will help you feel more confident in your daily life. These conversations are perfect for beginners, focusing on common topics like morning routines, shopping, weekend plans, and more. By practicing these dialogues, you'll not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your fluency. So, let's get started and take your English skills to the next level. Morning routine. Good morning. How did you sleep?
Good morning. I slept well, thanks. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. I like starting the day early.
That's nice. I usually wake up at 7. Do you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee.
I had eggs and toast. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, I do yoga. What about you?
I prefer a short walk to start the day.
Shopping. Hi, do you need anything from the store?
Yes, I need some milk and bread. What about you?
I need to buy a new jacket.
Oh, nice. Are you looking for a specific color?
I'm thinking of getting a black one.
Sounds good. I prefer dark colors too.
Do you like shopping in the mall or online?
I prefer shopping in the mall, but online is easy.
I agree. The mall is more fun.
Yeah, you can see everything before buying.
Plans for the weekend. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking about going to the movies. How about you?
That sounds fun. I might go to the park.
The park is nice. Are you going with friends?
Yes, I am. We are planning a picnic.
That sounds great. What will you bring?
I'll bring some sandwiches and fruit.
I'll bring some snacks. It should be fun.
For sure. Let's hope the weather is good.
Yes, I hope it's sunny.
Work and study. How was your day at work today?
It was busy, but productive. How about yours?
I had a long day at school. Lots of homework.
Oh, that's tough. What subject?
I had math and English today.
Those are important subjects. How are you doing in math?
Not great, but I'm improving slowly.
That's good to hear. Keep practicing.
I will. Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime. You'll do great.
Weather. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it's perfect for being outside.
I know. It's sunny and warm.
I love this kind of weather. Are you going somewhere?
I might go for a walk in the park.
That sounds lovely. Do you walk often?
Yes, I try to walk every day.
That's great for health. Keep it up.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm planning to relax at home today.
That's all for today's video. I hope these everyday conversations have helped you practice and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep speaking English.